You're a machine builder, and you have a list of parts you need for an upcoming build. What do you do now? Should you go to the local, big-name parts distributor and put up with pricing of the day? Nah. Should you go online and spend hours searching for the parts you need? Why bother? Or should you go straight to AutomationDirect.com and not only get the parts, but the service and support you deserve? Absolutely. Here at Automation Direct, we strive to always have the parts you need and to make ordering those parts as easy as possible. We have several convenient ways you can order parts from us. The most popular method is through our online web store, AutomationDirect.com. Here, all the parts in our vast inventory are at your fingertips. Just add what you need to your online cart and proceed to checkout. Over 35,000 parts are available here, including PLCs, HMIs, and even the wire and tools you need to put it all together. For a more personal touch, or if you need some guidance, give us a call at 1-800-633-0405. We're available from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. And we have a dedicated team willing to help you find the parts you need for your application. If needed, you can also order by way of email at orders@AutomationDirect.com or fax your order to 770-889-7876. Quick and easy ordering is just another way we at Automation Direct make buying affordable industrial controls even more satisfying. Click here to shop online at AutomationDirect.com. Click here to see more videos from Automation Direct.